Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a clip from your timeline on the KineMaster editing app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the KineMaster application on your device. And after you open it up, you can create your desired new project or open up any of your old ones from your saved projects. After opening up your project, you can start working within the timeline. Now, if you have created any clip that you would like to delete, then simply tap on this clip and you will now see the trash can icon at the top. Go ahead and tap on this and this will now delete this clip from your timeline right away. You can do this with many number of clips and elements as well as objects. After deleting your clip, you may add other clips or elements on its place. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete any clip from your timeline on the KineMaster application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.